Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to go over the fact triangle that you see on your screen. So I have 8, and then I have a blank, a factor is missing, and then 72. So 72 would be my product. Remember, the answer to a multiplication problem is called the product. So as you think about this, you could have memorized 8 times what equals 72, and many of you will at this point. But I'm going to share with you my written response because, again, this problem says explain. And so anytime I see the word explain, I've often taught you in class that you use the word because, or you're going to have to give an explanation of what you're doing. So you need to write out a written response. And so for this one, I wrote, I know that the opposite of multiplication is division. So I thought 8 times blank equals 72. I drew 8 circles and split 72 equally into each circle. I got 9, so 8 times 9 equals 72. So as you think about this, I'm taking 8 circles, and I'm drawing them now. Excuse me. And then what I would do is I would count 72 and put a mark in each circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'd go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and I'd keep on going until I counted to 72. And then you'll find out that if I kept on going with that, each circle would have 9 in it. And this is just one way of explaining this question of fill in the missing factor in the fact triangle. Again, you could describe your work in another way. I do ask that you avoid answers like, I figured this out because I know it. Well, how do you know it? So yes, you have it memorized, but give me either an equation, give me a multiplication or division strategy. I love that you have your facts memorized, but I also want you to be able to explain a way to solve multiplication and division. So, and I don't know, or I know it because I know an answer will not work for this problem. Use your math terms. I use terms such as multiplication and division, and then equally in my explanation. Thanks, boys and girls, for listening.